Hey guys, today, let's learn how to remove someone as a group admin on WhatsApp. So if you guys are wondering how to remove somebody on the WhatsApp application that you have as an admin, this is going to be pretty easy guys, because what we need to go ahead and do first is to launch the specific group that you'd like to go ahead and remove the admin up. Now we do have this community over here, which is essentially the same. And what I want you guys to do in Access is the option to access your members and also the admins. So if you were an admin of your group, you could easily go ahead and access your admins through your settings, right here on the group info, and then of course, select the specific person that you have as an admin, and remove and change their roles as well. So it's that easy guys, to basically proceed. So just tap on Dismiss as admin to remove them as an admin. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.